What's the meaning of bleeding heart? Bleeding heart. Bleeding heart.
Bleeding heart. Bleeding heart. The term bleeding heart is often used to describe someone who is excessively sympathetic or compassionate, especially towards those who are perceived as disadvantaged or suffering. The term originates from the image of a heart dripping blood, which symbolizes the idea of being overwhelmed by emotions and empathy. Often considered a pejorative term, it is used to criticize those who prioritize emotional sentimentality over logical reasoning. However, some individuals take pride in being called a bleeding heart as they believe it reflects their genuine concern for others and their willingness to advocate for social justice and equality.